Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC I've got a 2008 Toyota Camry, and we're going to go over how you remove the door panel and other work if you need to inside the door. So to start with, if you're going to be removing the door panel because you're going to be replacing the window regulator or removing the window, just raise the window about 3.5 inches, between 3 to 4 inches, and that way the bolts down there will line up, so when you need to remove them to remove the window, you can do that. Now if the regulator's not working, it might not be as easy to raise the window up to that height, but that way you don't have to do any type of jockeying things around once you've removed the door panel. So to start with, the door panel, we have this cover piece that we need to pop off, and there's a cover piece in here, and that way it gives us access to the screws that hold the door panel to the metal frame of the door. And we have this this triangle cover up here. Just pop that off too. And we have one outer push pin right here to be removed. And with our Phillips screwdriver, okay, so now we need to work our way around by popping the push pins that hold the door panel on. And then once we've got all the push pins removed, then we can just pull the door up at an angle, and you can pop it off the top. And then we have those wires we can unconnect here. We have some electric connection over here. And we have an electrical connector down here at the bottom that is for the light for when the door is open. So that's how you remove your door panel on your 2008 Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.